Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. As we come around towards the back of the Jeep here, you can see you do have your ParkSense, so you can see your sensors there, kind of across that back bumper. You also do have your backup camera equipped back there. Power lift gates also included, so you can easily access that cargo space in the back. You can see in the cargo space, decent amount of room back there for your bags and gear. Keep them out of the way while on the go. You also do have your full-size spare tire back there. Again, just your power lift gate. So just check out some of the space inside here. So you can see in the back seat, a decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have rubber floor mats included both front and back, so a nice little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Seats themselves are in good condition across the Jeep. You also do have your cup holders back there when that middle seat is not needed. USB port hookups in that back seat as well. So checking out the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area equipped with the Uconnect technology, so very user-friendly interface. A lot of great features packed in there. You can see access to, of course, your Bluetooth capabilities in there. Of course, all your audio media controls. Climate control options are also accessible in through the screen as well. Again, just your Bluetooth capabilities and access to some of these settings and apps in there. Just below that, you do have access to toggle your lane assist on and off, the automatic start as well. So a lot of great features packed right in there. Just below that, again, access to your basic audio media controls, climate control options as well. You have your USB port hookups up front there. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area as well. You do have your push button start, as you can see in behind, so key fob for the Jeep right here. Remote start is equipped, so again, a nice little feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount control, so your cruise control options in on that right hand side. Left hand side, you do have access to your Bluetooth capabilities. Behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media control, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. Of course, all your power windows, locks, side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen there, this Jeep does have 72,543 kilometers currently on it. If you have additional questions about this Jeep Compass, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.